What's happening, everybody? Mike here, doing some more hard resets for you. Today we got a Maxwest Nitro G56. So one of these, if you have one that has a pattern password that you don't know what it is, you got to do a hard reset on it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we have to turn the phone off. You got your volume buttons right here. There's volume up, volume down, and power. So let's turn the phone off real quick. Power it off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume up and the power button at the same time. I'll do it from this side so you guys can see it a little bit better. So hold volume up, press power. Once the phone turns on, it should basically just go right into this reset menu, as you can see. Your volume buttons do the selecting and the navigating, so it looks like volume down is the select button, and the volume up is to navigate. So you want to get to recovery, so you just hit volume down. Take a second and it should load into the actual recovery mode. And then once we're here, we just want to use the volume buttons to navigate again and go all the way down to wipe data factory reset. Hit power as your enter button. So hit power and confirm again. And now it's rebooting. And once it's done, you can just hit enter again to reboot, and it will restart back at the first screen. You can navigate to the home screen and set it up how you want to. So as usual, just don't forget, when you do a hard reset, it does delete all the data off the device. So careful when you're doing that. If you have something important, you will lose it. So just giving you guys that heads up. Otherwise, if you guys got any phones that you know how to do a hard reset on, just drop a comment, let me know. I'll try to get it up for you. If you can like, share, subscribe, do what you got to do. We'd appreciate it. Thanks.